Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix apps not downloading on iPhone 13, 13 mini, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max. First of all, make sure that you have a strong internet connection. If your connection is slow, the application will be stuck on downloading. So change your internet connection and check apps is downloading or not. Method 1. Set date and time automatically. Firstly, go to Settings app on your iPhone. Here, tap on General. Then tap on Date and Time. After that, turn on Set Automatically. Then restart your iPhone. Method 2. Turn off content and privacy restriction. For that, launch Settings apps on your iPhone. Here, tap on Screen Time. Then tap on Content and Privacy Restriction. After that, turn off Content and Privacy. Method 3. Sign out Apple ID and then sign in. For that, firstly go to Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap on iCloud name. Scroll down to the bottom and tap Sign Out. Now enter your Apple ID password and tap on Turn Off. Tap Sign Out again to confirm that you want to sign out of iCloud. Now wait for a while and sign in your Apple ID again. So like the video before leaving and subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.